everybody, it's Robert, aka The Tall Man, and today we're at Sun Camper RV down in Okeechobee, Florida. And we're looking at this Jayco Eagle HT. This is model number 284BHOK. So let's get to it. Alright, so this has an awning that covers about 2/3 of the side of the awning. And it is not manual, right? It's powered, so you just hit a button and the slide will go out. Okay? Now look at this storage. Look at how huge this is. I mean, this has got to be 2.5 feet by 2. I mean, it's absolutely enormous, right? There's a cutoff switch there for your battery. That is awesome. Now this has electric jacks too, so you don't have to be cranking those down. Electric jack, that's so awesome. Power. Vacuum refrigerators right here. Let's see, what's this? What is this? Oh, just a little extra storage area. Actually, this is for mounting a TV full time, right? TV bracket location. So if you want to have a TV out here, you put it in there and it's always protected from the weather. There you go. Now, if you notice, this actually has 2 entries. There's one there, there's one here. We're going to go inside in a minute. Now, let's check this out. This is probably your outdoor kitchen. That is actually really big. Little micro refrigerator, sink, nice grill station. Look at that. There's also a drawer here for keeping some of the utensils that you use out here. Nice. This is a really nice outdoor kitchen. Yeah, a little tile backsplash. All right. Well, this also does have a ladder. Wires for your backup camera. There's a neat little door back here. Let's see what this is for. Ooh, there's bunks inside there. This is awesome. Look at that. You get to where you're going, you pull the bikes out. You've got yourself a bed. We'll look at that more inside. Okay. Now it does have a mount back here, so you can put some accessories back here too. It's not for towing, but it's for mounting like an accessory. Here is your connection. This is 50 amp. Okay. There's your regular rack and pinion slide. You got your tires. Let's see if they're... Oh, they do. They have the CRE 3000 upgraded suspension, which is nice. And here are your numbers. You can put a good amount of weight in here. And here's your wet bay. It's got a little connection for a little shower. This is where you pull gray tank and black tank that drain again in the back. All right. Like I said, huge pass-through. Huge pass-through. Electric jack, which is nice. And this has dual 30-pound tanks. And this is neat too. Look at this. Just look at this little storage rack back here. All right, that is great. Beautiful look. All right, so let's go check the inside. Little handle here to help you get up. All right. Wow, look at this. Well, hey there, Lisa.
Well, hello there.
How are you doing today?
I am fine. How are you?
We're good. What do you think of this one?
I like this one.
Wow.
I really like this one.
All right, so let's back to the door. Now, Lisa surprised me. I didn't show you know she was going to be in here. All right, so here's some of your controls when you first walk in. There's a nice coat closet. You don't often see coat closets when you walk in an RV. There's your fuse panel right down there. And over here, you got fire extinguisher. We'll look at the bunks in a minute. So over here, you've got a little sofa, little love seat that pulls out to be a bed. And you got some storage above it, which is nice. Little corner storage, right? Let's check out the shades. What kind of shades do they have? These have your little accordion type. So it's not the day-night shades that we talk about, but I have these in my own. They don't bother me. I mean, it blocks out, 90-95%. So, but the day-night roller shades are a little bit better, right? And then right across from the sofa is your entertainment center. Now that looks to be about, I'd say, what, a 42-inch TV? Yeah, you got your Furrion DVD player and speaker package in here. So you got some extra speakers in here so you're not just having to listen, excuse me, to the TV. You got a 30-inch fireplace. That's pretty neat. And then over here, there's some more storage. Now it's not very deep, but you can put some things in here. It's only about, I don't know, 4 or 5 inches deep. But you can store some stuff in there, as well as in here. Yeah. And above. Now it's actually pretty deep. That goes back quite a ways. What do you think about the kitchen, Lisa?
I like it. I like it. It's got about the same size refrigerator, freezer that we have in our RV. Maybe a little bit smaller, but it's pretty close to the same size. But what I do like is they make really good use of the space underneath the refrigerator and the stove. This does have an oven, and it also has your 3 burners. So that is really nice. It has your microwave. What I really like in here is that it really has a nice residential feel to it with this little nice corner cabinet, and there's a lot of space in here. It is really deep. All of the upper cabinets have very, very deep storage. A lot of them tend to be fairly shallow where you can't put a full-size plate in. There's plenty of space in there. And this has the double sink, which I personally prefer. I know a lot of people like the big farm sink, but I personally like the divided
Yeah, we have our dish drainer on this side and sort of use this side for all the function. But when it's when it doesn't have the divider, stuff gets under the dish drain. So it's a little bit, and I mean, that's just how we use it, but
and then if you want to fill up, the sink, you can fill up a smaller portion rather than having to fill the whole thing.
Right, using water, yeah.
Yeah, rinsing some vegetables last night. I filled up the whole thing in our RV.
All right, well, what's up here? This is where all the activity happens. All right, this is the bedroom. Oh, so what's nice about this, it's got a separate access, right? This is a nice queen-size bed. I'm sure there's storage underneath. Yep, storage underneath there. You've got storage to the left of the bed, to the right of the bed, and of course, all up top. Now this is a little bit shallow, not gonna lie to you. A little bit shallow, we may have been able to make that a little bit bigger, but that's okay. Because on this side, they have more storage over here. Look at this, drawers. Okay, nice big cabinet up there. If you want to mount a TV, it would mount right there. So when you're laying in bed, you would put it right there. Now, speaking of beds, we talked about this in other videos, but this mattress I'm on, rock hard. I mean, you could pounce a quarter off of that thing. That is rock hard. They call these placeholders. So if you bought this RV, you're gonna have to spend a couple bucks to get a nice mattress. Okay. Yeah, nice bedroom. All right. Then there's the bunks. These are really big bunks. Most bunks are pretty narrow, but that's like a full-size bed. Right? Built-in ladder, which is great. I don't know about you, but in our RV, we have a separate ladder that we have to connect, and it comes out pretty far, so it's a little bit challenging. But this one's built in, and it's a big step. So, an adult can put their foot on to get up there nice. Okay? And as I mentioned outside, remember this folds up. And so when you're driving somewhere and traveling, you can put bikes in there, which is awesome.
There's also cabinets up in the back there too.
Oh yeah! Look at that. Cabinets in the back. Awesome. Now what's behind this door? Hey, it's a toilet. You know what that means.
It's time for Tall Man's Toilet Test.
All right, well this more than passes the Tall Man Toilet Test. Right? Porcelain foot flush. This bathroom is absolutely enormous for a travel trailer bathroom. I mean, look at the counter space. This is unbelievable. You got a towel bar up here. You got a towel bar down here. Power, all kinds of space for that. Look at this. It goes all the way into the corner. That is awesome. Actually, you know what? This is one thing I'd like to see the RV dealers do. Okay? Look at the shelf. All right? Now, when you're driving down the road, all the stuff in here is going to be shaking and rattling. So what's going to happen, the first person that opens this medicine chest, half of that stuff is going to come falling out. Okay? So it'd be nice if there was just a little lip here across the front to keep the stuff from falling out. Right? That's just me. That's just me. All right, storage back here. You roll your towels up and put them in there, which is awesome. And then even down here, I mean, this goes all the way back. Now, of course, the plumbing's down here, so you can put a lot of stuff in there. And then over here too. I mean, it's just a ton of storage in this bathroom. All right, time to get in the shower. Now, this is a big shower, right? My head's not, well, maybe a little bit, but no, my head's not even in the bubble. It's not at all. The shower head is like at my face. The width is huge. I like the shower. This one gets 2 thumbs up. All right, everybody, if you like this Jayco Eagle, look, give us a big thumbs up. Leave a comment. Let us know what you thought of this particular RV. Did you like the bathroom as much as I did? That one was huge, right? We want to thank all our current subscribers for coming back and watching the video. We appreciate you guys. For those who haven't subscribed yet, do us a favor. Smash that subscribe button down there. It doesn't cost you anything. Hit the like button at the same time, right? And we will see you on the next one.